Umqeqeshi wayo-ke iBafana Bafana uHugo Broos has finally announced his final squad for the 2026 FIFA World Cup ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi balaphana kule group enayo-ke iMexico, iCzechia nayo-ke iSouth Korea. So Bafana Bafana will be hoping to make it out of that group for the first time. So ayikaze-ke iBafana Bafana-ke selokhu yadlala kwi-World Cup ukuthi ikwazi-ke ukuthi-ke ifike kuma-knockout stages. So this generation will be hoping to break the curse babe-ke the first ones ukuthi-ke bayeke laphana kumdlalo-ke last 32 because if I remember-ke le World Cup le inama-teams awu-48 instead of 32. So abantu abazoqualifya unumber 1 nonumber 2 and also there is a possibility of number 3. So you will if-ke uthole maybe 4 points or mhlampe-ke even as less as 3 points ungayithola usuya kwi-next round as the third best team. So iBafana Bafana-ke inamathuba amaningi ukuthi ayitholeke yenza kahle-ke kule tournament. And yibo-ke abadlali-ke laba-ke abazobe berepresenta yona-ke i-South Africa. So hopefully-ke sizokwazi ukuthi sibasupport-ke sibanike yonke i-support ngokuthi sibabukele-ke uma sebedlala-ke laphayana e-North America and some of the games I think awu-2 of them azobe edlala-ke ngesikhathi-ke sizobe sisabhekile and then only one of them against i-South Korea izobe idlala ekuseni-ke I think ngo-3 AM. So asibasupporteni-ke labadlali as-ke siyazi ukuthi-ke they will give their best to make sure ukuthi-ke maybe bakwazi ukuthi bayitholeke sebeya kuma-knockout stages. So these are the players that will represent South Africa in the upcoming World Cup. Ngithi-ke mina-ke ngibafisela okuhle and I'm sure ukuthi-ke they will do very well.